Hey, Emeko Sai here, and I want to give you 10 tips on what it takes to make your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing. Tip number 3 is picking your keywords. All right, keyword research is the most important part of Kindle publishing. You have to make sure you're going to pick profitable keywords, things that people are already searching in order for your books to start making sales from day one. So, couple rules to follow. When you type in your search term, your keyword, because that's all a keyword is, it's the search term that people are typing into Amazon when they're looking up information or looking for that particular product to buy. When you type in your keyword, make sure that the first 4 to 6 books have a bestseller rank of well under 100,000 BSR. The lower the number, the better it's going to be for you. Now, a lot of publishers get hung up on this. It can take some couple hours, some takes them a couple weeks. Don't overcomplicate it. Search terms are keywords. Typing in multiple search terms and starting to look at the other books, see what other keywords, what other popular words that they're using in their titles, in their subtitles, in their description, entering those until you start finding the particular keywords that people are actually searching for. By reading your competitors' books in those niches, you're able to see what they're actually ranking for. Thus, you can find out what's going to be profitable for your books to start ranking for. Keyword research is a lot like a muscle. The more you do it, the stronger it's going to get. Hey, so if you want more great tips like this, be sure to check out my free book, The Self-Publishing Blueprint. It's free. I've printed about 500 of these, so get them while you can. Just cover the shipping, and if you're outside of the States, well, you can get the ebook version as well. Both links are going to be down in the description, so go check those out. Till next time, everyone, I hope to help you hit your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing.